Are you kidding? Oh, are you kidding me? This is so cute. Ooh. You guys, there's so much new stuff that's hitting Dollar Tree right now. I'm talking about spring. I'm talking about Easter. There's still a ton of Valentine's stuff depending on when you're watching this and when I finally get to post this video. But there's some new stuff. There's some really fun new stuff. And it's not just in certain sections of the store. It's everywhere. And I'm going to just start by showing this. Have you guys seen this cupcake holder? Look at this 2-layer cupcake holder. Look at this 2-layer cupcake holder. This is crazy. I cannot believe this. Now, this was in the plus kind of section that's at Dollar Tree, and it was $5, and it is metal, and I think it's so cute. I wanted it like in white or any other color but this light blue, but I still think it's going to be amazing. And also for $5, if I need to paint it white, I can. Now, there are other colors in this, but my store only had the blue ones out at the time. So the other cuteness factor thing that I grabbed was this giant peep. Now, it's not just a peep. This is a light, and it is a battery-operated light. So look who's coming to say hello to the peep. Hi. Say hello to the peeps. Hi. That's Otis, in case you guys haven't figured that out. Hi, buddy. But look at this. Now, it's kind of hard to see in here because the lights are on in the studio, but look. Oh my goodness, it takes 2 AA batteries. It was also in the plus section. It was $5. Look how cute this is. This is going to be absolutely adorable on a shelf in my background here. And I only bought the blue one when I went out and saw it. But I have to say, I think I want to go back and get the pink and the yellow one because I feel like I can't break up the family. I got to have the family. So, I'm going to go to my store and hope that they are still there. Now, the other thing that they have are, of course, always having really cute buckets and Easter things. And this bucket is no exception. Look at this adorable little unicorn bucket. Now, they had all kinds of different buckets. They had some, like literally everything you could possibly imagine. But this one was just way too cute for me not to grab. Even if I use it, honestly, for storage here in my craft room, put it on a shelf, put something that's dedicated into that, and always kind of having that and be able to grab it out. It makes me happy. I think it's cute, and I wanted it, so I got it. The other thing that I did grab are these little Peeps lights. Now, these are battery-operated string lights. They are Peep branded, though, and I think I need all the colors again for my bigger Peep light here because we gotta make the family work, right? These are 10 mini string lights, and again, they take a battery. There's a little battery pack on them. How cute are those? Super cute, especially if you got that little cupcake tower, this little tiered tray, and did even just strung them around like one of the layers. How fun could that be? I think that there could be a really lot of fun things. Now, there are some gummy Peeps. Again, they're the bunny and the chicks, and they're gummy flavors, so that's kind of cool. These I grabbed really early on in my kind of Easter haul when things were starting to hit my store, and I found them again. Now, I did not rebuy these, but they restocked them, I guess is really what I want to tell you guys. So if you missed out on these the first time, definitely go and look. These were in the plus section again. $3 each. How adorable are these? They're so high-end looking and super cute. And I think that they would be fantastic on a tray, like in your living room. Super adorable. And then I don't know if this is going to be a thing like it was at Christmas time. These pillow covers. These pillow covers are pillow covers that I saw at Christmas time. There were 4 different types. I've only seen this one type so far at my store, but how cute is that? And this is going to be on my front porch. It's got a zipper on the bottom. You will need to iron it, you know, because it's definitely got some wrinkles in it, and they're pretty hardcore wrinkles. And if it feels like it's the same exact material from last time. So definitely get out the iron, press those out, and stuff it and put it on the front porch. And it's so great because it's $1.25. And if it blows away, it's better than the $60, the $50, the $20 ones blowing away. This is a little kind of a ramekin cup kind of thing. And it's 12 pieces. I bought this for a possible DIY idea I'm toying with, so more there. Y'all, they have garland now, like legit beaded garland on tassels. And this particular one, it's funny, all of the colors had this, so I don't know if this is the new thing, but rainbow on the end of it. You could easily pop that off if you wanted to. And then there's a great substantial tassel. This was in the regular Dollar Tree kind of, I shouldn't say the regular Dollar Tree. It was at Dollar Tree. It was $1.25 though. And how cute is that? Like the rainbow color, and I mean, they're already painted for you and everything. It's pretty long. Let's see if it says how long this is. It does not, but not that long. And, you know, take out for that little piece in the middle. But still, super, super cute. And if you take this off and you squish these beads down, that's going to give you enough room to where if you really did want to pop that rainbow off, you could. And you could totally replace it with something else. Now, they have it in this kind of a rainbow color here, which I think is super fun. And then they also have it in white. Now, the whiter one looks shorter, but that's because I've already kind of taken it apart and used it for part of a DIY project. So again, the white one is just as long as this one here. It's got the rainbow on the end again. But how cute are these for tiered trays? And then they also have black. There is black ones as well. And again, great size tassel. Great size beads are like a glossy, shiny black. And then they do have the rainbow on the end again. So again, if you don't want the rainbows on it, if you want to put something else on it, you absolutely can. These were $1.25 each, y'all. $1.25 each. This is a huge strand of decorative beads that are already done for you. They are taking my job away, Dollar Tree, and challenging me to come up with new and inventive ideas. But how cute is that? I really liked that. Now, if you are a Sesame Street fan, they have these really cute masks. And they're like a felt mask. They've got Ernie. They've got Big Bird. They've got Bert. They have, who's that? Elmo. And they have the Cookie Monster. And then, of course, Oscar the Grouch. I was thinking, and the reason why I bought all of the characters that I could find was because I want to make a Sesame Street wreath. And I think that could be adorable if you use these on the wreath. I just have to find the right wreath form for it. But yeah, I want to make a Sesame Street wreath. And I think it'd be super, super cute. It'd be so cute. Okay, pencils. I love pencils. I love pencils. They had some really fun colored pencils in these like polka dotted kind of metallic-y looking. There also are some blue ones that are like striped and like almost kind of mid-century modern-esque looking that they're on the other side. They're actually already at my desk, so I'm not going to show you those. But I just like pencils, and there's always fun office supplies. This is a sticker. This is a sticker I think I'm going to put on my laptop. I have a laptop cover on my laptop, so if I decide I don't want to have this anymore, I could easily take it off. This kind of reminds me of like a really, really high-end designer. And if you know the designer I'm talking about, you can put it in the comments below. But it reminds me of a really high-end designer, and I thought it might be just fun to kind of dress up my laptop a little bit. I don't know. Now, there are warmer temperatures coming. We've got summer and spring coming, spring and summer. And I need some socks. I need some little ankle socks for my shoes so I can wear my shoes, you know, without socks or without the sock look. Now, these I think are going to still show a little bit, but hello, they were blue and white and black and white and gray. So that's my favorite colors. And of course I had to have those. And then speaking of really cute office supplies, Jot is just coming out with some really fun push pins. And if you saw my last DIY video, then you know I took the pearl push pins and kind of made like a little candle stand on it. And then they had these kind of iridescent ones too that I thought would be cute to hang on to and, you know, maybe come up with an idea. If I were to redo that little candle stand in white, those would actually be really cute on theirs too. Now those, the white ones that I used, the pearl ones, were kind of like little half circles. These are actually kind of full circles. So again, could be super, super fun to use in a DIY or just on a pegboard. And that's why I grabbed them. Now these shelves are newer, I think, from the Jot line, or at least they're newer to my store. Now, my Jot line that has the pegboards, I have seen the smaller shelf, but I've not seen this larger rectangular shelf. And for those of you that don't know, I do have a metal pegboard that is in my craft room, and it hangs right above my kind of workstation. There's Otis again. But these accessories work absolutely perfectly in the metal pegboard system that I have. So if you can't find the pegboards, or you think you need something a little bigger, buy the metal pegboards. I have them, I got mine from Amazon. I will put a link in the description box below so you can check those out. But buy these pegboard systems and use them on your pegboard. You would be shocked at how versatile these are and really how far they can go on everything. Hi, Otis. What are you doing, buddy? Let's see. This is something that's super, super cute. I saw this and grabbed this and just thought it looked adorable. It's kind of like a 3D kind of looking flower, kind of mod looking, I guess you can say. This little stand just kind of snaps in there, and then it just kind of stands on your work surface. Well, when you put it together right, it does. Please hold. There we go. I just didn't pop it in there good enough. But how cute is that? How cute is that? And then what's also really cute about it is that there are little clips on the back, so you can turn this into a photo holder. So if you have something on your desk or you want something really small, you've got some smaller little pictures, they could be a cute way to display some fun stuff. And I think it's just kind of cool, honestly, just like that, looking like this. Otis is like a little shark behind me, like circling. Oh, I forgot an Easter sign. Let me grab this too. How cute is that? So high-end looking. I really thought that this looked like something you would buy at like Kirkland's or like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and really thought that this one was super, super cute. I love the wood kind of bunny. I love the metal on the ear here, and I love the Happy Easter. I love the kind of twine here and everything, and think that this one is super, super cute. Otis is having a little fit back there. Because I would put him on camera more, I think. So he's got the zoomies going on. So if you hear something in the background, that's him. The other thing I thought were super cute, and I grabbed these at the checkout. These are called prank stickers. And there's, I think, 5 stickers. Yeah, 5 kinds of stickers, 5 types. So there's 20 stickers total. But there's ones that say out of service. There's ones that say do not enter. There's one that says emotion activated. There's a faux light switch. There's a faux like broken glass area. And I just thought they were kind of silly and just thought they were kind of fun. And the outlet one, I kind of had an idea for it, for something for a DIY. So that one is coming. And then the do not enter, I'm thinking about putting that on my craft room door, because we know the craft room can be a little messy sometimes, and you don't want people coming into your space when you are trying to keep it clean, or, you know, keep it dirty, because that's the way we like it sometimes. These metal garden hooks are always super, super great. I have hung birdhouses with these. I have hung plants with these into trees in my yard. These are also pretty handy to have on hand if you want to decorate your tree at Christmas time. Buy them now, and if you buy those oversized ornaments at Dollar Tree, use these to hang them up in your tree. You will be shocked at how easy that is. And they come in a 2-pack for the smaller ones. So if you grab enough of them, you can actually use them during the holidays to decorate your tree with. I bought some of this basil mint wax squares. I want to make some candles, and I want to try like using these things in the microwave and kind of see how that works. I think it'll be fun. A couple more things. Ducks, rubber ducks. And they had a blue sparkly one. Now they also had some gold, and they had some other colors. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but there's a thing that goes on with a lot of Jeep owners, and they do a thing called ducking. So if you see a Jeep out there and you like the Jeep, you're supposed to put a rubber duck on the Jeep as a way of saying, you know, cool Jeep. And I don't drive a Jeep. This is something that I just Googled and looked up, because I would see random like rubber duckies in people's windshields, or I would come out to into a parking lot and see that somebody's Jeep would be parked there, and then somebody would have put a duck like on the hood of their Jeep or by the windshield of their Jeep. And apparently that's a thing with Jeep owners. And I just thought it was cute and would go in my bathroom, so that's why I bought them. But if you are a Jeep owner and you know what I'm talking about with the ducking, then you should get a ducking duck for your Jeep. The other thing that I grabbed, I've seen this before, I've hauled this before. I broke mine, so I had to grab another one with this kind of iridescent glass vase. I do have a DIY idea for this and thought that could be super, super fun. I have a DIY idea for this little guy, so I grabbed another one of these. I first found these in Denver when we did the YouTube trip not too long ago. Some little shells. Summertime's coming up, so I had a DIY idea in mind for those. These were new. I've not seen these before. These candle holders. Now, I believe they're supposed to sit like this because they have the taper candles that go here. I said it right. I think I did, right? Taper, paper, taper. And so they have the holes there. But if you found something that these could sit into, you could surely do them that way. Now, my first thing when I saw this and this was that they would go together, but they don't. They don't go in there. But it doesn't mean you couldn't make anything out of a DIY and do that. This pink color was the only one that they had. I would have preferred a different color or even a clear, but I grabbed them because I thought, why not? Now, another thing in the plus section, which I thought was really cool, were these DIY resin kits. These are DIY resin kits, and they come with the hardener and the resin that you need. And there's a 2-step process whenever you're working with resin. And I think you just mix these two together, mix them up really good, pour them into your DIY. I've got a DIY idea coming up for these. So we're going to put these like live and actual to the test, and we're gonna see how that goes. I bought some blue rocks, some blue gravel rocks here, because I do want to incorporate them into the DIY with the shells, thinking that could be something cute. And then I just grabbed a couple really cute vases. I love this one. I've used this one before in a lot of different DIYs. And then I just loved the very simple shape of that. And then lastly, these candle holders. I've not seen these before, and just think that they're beautiful. Love how that kind of bubble glass is. Love the gold bottoms on them. I did buy 2 of them, thinking for obviously candle holders. Was also kind of thinking of another possible idea for these for DIY. So more to come there. All right, guys, that is my haul. If you are brand new to my channel, thank you for sticking around and watching. If you are one of my long-termers, my OGs, thank you guys so much for being here. I truly, truly appreciate it. And check out the links and playlists and all that other things here on YouTube for more videos. And of course, I will be back with you guys very soon for some fun DIY projects. And look at the timing. Otis is coming to say goodbye. Goodbye, Otis. Hi, baby. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye. Bye. He's just like, I'm not, just let me go. Let me go, Dad. Let me go. Let me go.